welcome back, campus. Mr. McDaniel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time of the day it is that you're viewing this video, welcome back to camp. We're still dealing 6th and 7th grade. We're dealing with equations and expressions under standard number 2. We're dealing with reasoning and how to solve one variable equations and inequalities at the same time. So we're doing plug-in. That's one of the things we're going to focus in on the E2.5. And this x, which is the unknown, what will satisfy this equation to make it true so we can actually operate and function to solve something. So what is the value of w if the question was w plus 2 equals 2? So what will we plug in here? Will we plug in 0 or will we plug in 1 to make this a true statement, an accurate statement? And what we can do, what we need to understand is the concept. Even though this is a basic problem you can solve off the top of your head, because you know right now you can add 0 plus 2 will give you 2. But the process that you really want to work on is thinking about how to balance out the problem to solve for the right answer and going through particular steps. So they say, for example, here w plus 2 is equal to 2. And what we're going to work on again is here the math operation is addition, so we can rewrite this as w plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 over here. Because the operation we're doing, the inverse, the opposite operation of addition is subtraction. So that cancels that out. So we then have w equal to, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So we know we've solved it by going through steps in our head. So the correct answer is w is equal to 0. Okay, so then we're going to wrap this up and expression is equation 2.5. Like I said, basically you're working in the concept of having to plug in numbers for the unknown, but the process and the step is important in working yourself through and how to do the inverse operation to eliminate one side of the problem and doing the same thing, doing the exact same operation on the opposite side to help you solve through steps. So make sure you follow the steps. So you guys in the 6th grade, you're going to practice this down in the 6Z.2 on the EE 2.5, and 7th grade you're going to practice it on the 7T6, which is going to be 2 steps. 6th grade you're doing 1 step, 7th grade you're doing 2 steps. All right, so I look forward to seeing you. Jeffrey's going to say goodbye because this is the end of Animal Week. He's got to go back to work. The NBA is about to play, so we look forward to seeing you guys in class. Take care. Have a great day.